Good morning, students in 6th grade. This is your English teacher Dana from Al Farouk Academy. Today, we are going to explain the second structure of this unit. This is will. So, let's start. In our lesson today, students should be able to recognize and understand the use of will and want, the forms of the structure, and practice the structure by making questions and answers. Now, let's think about the use of will. How do we use it? Or when can we use will? We use it if we want to make predictions about the future. تنبؤات أو توقعات للمستقبل. So, if we want to predict something in the future, we use will or want. Let's start with the forms of will. The affirmative form of will. Look at this sentence. We will have flying car in the future. So, this is a prediction of having flying car in the future. We use here will. We know that in each sentence we have to start by using what? The subject. Excellent. After the subject we have will. Will is always followed by infinitive verb as we see here. Have is a verb 1. So will have to be followed with infinitive verb. Then we complete the sentence, flying car in the future. This is the object. So the form of the sentence is subject will plus infinitive verb, then the object. Now, how can we negate the sentences by using will? We say will not or won't. Look at this sentence. We want to drive flying car in the future. We will not drive flying car in the future. So we negate this sentence by using will not. We add not with will, so it will be won't. We is the subject, will not, and the infinitive verb. This is excellent, drive a flying car in the future. So this is the negative form of will. Now let's practice this structure. We want to complete these sentences by using will or want. Let's remember which kind of verb that we use after will or want. Excellent. Infinitive verb. Let's start with the first one. He want a doctor in the future. We have this verb, be. We is the subject, and after the subject we have will be excellent, a doctor in the future. Number 2, she a great presentation about animals next week. And we have the verb make. Is it an infinitive verb? Of course, yes. So let's complete this sentence. She will make, yes, a great presentation about animals next week. Number 3, They bought laptops in their schools in 2025. We have the verb use. They. Yes, excellent. They will use. The last one. The children watch incredible things in the future. We have not and invent. So, what is the negative form of will? Excellent. The children won't invent or will not invent incredible things in the future. Write these sentences in your grammar notebook, please. Exercise number 2. Correct the mistakes in these sentences. Here we have 2 sentences, and in each sentence we have a mistake. Let's correct it. Number 1. They won't make a robot in their project. Can we negate the sentence by using this form of will? No, so the mistake is this word. Let's correct it. What can we say? They will not or won't, excellent, make a robot in their project. Number 2. Mom will put some of beautiful things for our new room. Mom will what? Where is the mistake here? Yes, excellent, bought. This is, yes, a past verb. And after will, we have to use what? Infinitive verb, excellent. What is the infinitive verb of bought? This is excellent, buy. So the sentence is, Mom will buy excellent some of beautiful things for our new room. Don't forget that this is the negative form of will, and we must put after will what? Infinitive verb. Yes. That's it for today. In the next lesson, inshallah, we're going to answer the questions on your student's book and workbook about this rule. So please be ready for the next lesson.